bad man living, me say teach them. Him a the king in a the ring, they call it. Bad man living, me say second teach them cause you a crown king, they call it. Bad man living, me say second teach them you are the king in a the ring, they call it. Bad man living. If a boy try to think hospital, no miss him. We no afraid of no boy, we a top ranking. No boy could never kill you and put we in a coffin. Come here pen and of cartoon so much income jacket. Bad man living. Mr. Second teach them you are the king in the ring, they call you. Bad man living. Mr. Second teach them cause you are crown king. You are crown king. Lovely.
I am here vibing one of the most iconic and lyrically potent rubber dub DJs in Jamaica's dancehall history. His parents named him Ruel Ellis, but we know him as
Jonathan WOLFMAN.
The animal. Alizelle Godfather.
Yes, king.
It's a joy, sir. It's a joy. Me never see you today so, yeah, before, so it's an honor, bro.
Yeah, man.
It's an honor, man. It's a real life, man. So.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Get ready, everybody, get ready. This is teach them known as bad boy. Billy, ready, everybody, get ready. This is teach them. Know this. Well, we no business with nothing because we no care. We do anything we want. We don't have no fear. The first thing we do is go out in the square. Not far from the station then here. And on the next side, the hospital over there, we see a whoa, holy person. Teach them.
The father, Jonathan.
Yes, king.
We say all is well, sir.
Yes, bless him.
I was going to say, it's a joy if you see the man, bro.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
Give thanks, man.
Bless him to get it too, you know?
Yeah, man. Talk to us, though.
Set some little things straight.
Set some little things straight.
Yeah, man.
All right, we all for that, man. We all for that. So whatever you feel like you need to set straight,
Yeah, man,
you just set it straight. Talk to us, though, Father Jonathan. Early life. Place of birth.
Yeah, man. Spanish Town.
Spanish Town.
Same place where I live.
See, okay.
Yeah. Enough little artists come from that turf there. I mean, the top artists them come from a turf there. See? Papa San come from a turf there. The Earthsman. WOLFMAN. Luton Fire. Major Worries. General TK. Lady G. Me talk from right now.
Right in your local.
My local turf there.
Yeah?
Yeah. See?
So which part of Spain now?
Alright. Spanish Town, man, where you come over the old bridge at the hospital.
Right.
The old bridge. Spanish Town, now where we born and grow, and that's how where we live. If you reach a Spanish Town, they come across Creamer Bridge. Well, out of ferry, you find enough detective. Well, down a White Mare, where Arrow Wax used to live. We make two Badali and reach a central village. You stop at hospital gate, come across the old bridge. Well, over Thompson Pen, me have a DJ college. You ask someone, you will be directed. Yeah, man, I right. See it?
But before we take on the music and all of the people them who were there though, Zane, how many brothers and sisters?
You know, sir, I have 6 brothers and 3 sisters. See, 2 of the brothers them dead left. The next
4 of them.
Yeah.
My condolences
Yes,
there, so man.
See?
The old man and old lady still around?
No, man.
Both of them trod on?
Them trod on too.
My condolences again.
May 23rd gone. My father would have been 100 years old.
Oh, okay.
See?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Where you attended school though?
Spanish Town Primary, Spanish Town Secondary, Spanish Town Infant from the infant cover.
Straight over, Spanish Town.
Spanish
Town. Infant, primary, secondary.
Yeah.
The Spanish Town Secondary was where the formal education stopped.
Yeah. Me not even did finish, you know.
How go on?
Me get kicked from early, man, but I think me just got grade 9.
Just got grade 9.
Before they kick me, can you walk now? No behavior, you know.
Yeah. Then you don't behave yourself, Jonathan, man.
No behavior whatsoever. Me not grow with no bedroom. No say the parents not teach me to know, but me was just me. So me just do me and.
So what exactly you do while them tell you to leave?
You know, say we out on a football field where the girl ma play netball for one field and one youth. Indeed come up in the entertainment thing too. Boogie G.
Boogie G.
Yeah, man. Alvin Campbell, brother, man. You know, say something happen out there. And me not a football player, no. Remember, me kick the ball and the ball go over the wall, something but the girl them ball. And the man just run in and kick me, because they used to call him Kung Fu, you know. But then time they know me, a man who walk with knife, you know. So I put the knife on him and the principal said I can't come back, you know. You see? So
that was it.
Yeah, man. Time I youth in about 14 years old, you know.
So after you get kicked from the school, what were you doing though?
Nothing. Just sit around, get involved.
Nah, bad
political warfare, antics, the whole 9 yards. You know, see. But yeah, what? We gotta learn trade. Electrical trade.
Electrical.
Yeah. Ronald one elder, I don't know which part on planet him there if him pass or not. But we learn trade with him.
Yes.
You know? But it come back now, I don't really want to do the work. Cause you what now, electrical, I'm afraid of current. I can't do it, you know.
But you don't love the current, yeah.
So me there. And while me I learn trading up on site, you know, me I listen cassettes them time there. Sassafras, Lone Ranger. Ranger DJ the sound from Port Antonio, Taros. Yeah. Something like we are taking up to. You know?
How old were you at the time?
Telling me about 18 years old.
18. We soon pick up about the news. I'm going to go back a little bit before we come forward. What was it like growing up though, from a financial perspective?
Yeah, man, my father good, man. My father always have in good little job at Guineas when Guineas are run out of Central Village. Mama work at Jamaica School of Agriculture.
Okay.
Up when the farm school did up with police training school.
Up Twickenham.
Yeah, man, up at Twickenham Park. So, you know, me alright.
Yeah,
me grow alright, you know.
You just was a rude boy.
Yeah, then now make we sleep without
without
you know. I'm there what them man they send me to school, you know, because my father is a man where have good education, you know. So him say he always tell me say, you're gonna want it. Serious. And me don't know what I mean, you know. You see, till later on in life. See? So, but I grow with family, man. You what? You're the second to last one, and you also have a younger sister than I. So, you have big brother.
Just speaking to
you have some big brother where the man the dangerous all Pedro, them one of big brother. The man then steal. So when me and you have to just obey them man, you know see him, but not for too long. Not for too long.
Yeah.
Political warfare take over the thing 1979, 1980.
I'm going to 80.
Yeah. Come stop last school about then kick me from about 77, 78, somewhere there so. You know? So from there so no farmer education.
With the streets.
And the streets, you know?
Yes.
But
so you say listening in Sasa and
Lone
Ranger.
Yeah man.
You start get a musical vibration.
Musical vibes, you know. Me have a brother we buy a component set. But the component set having a ear track. Ear track to Gems a long time.
A long time.
Ear track that, but it's a Gemini with Johnny Ringo. You know, see him and the precise timing there and the brawling DJ in there. I hit me hook, I hit me line.
You like it.
You see, so it couldn't be just WOLFMAN. Come to me, man, me rough, you know.
Yeah.
So it couldn't be just WOLFMAN, because a Johnny Ringo. So you have Jonathan WOLFMAN.
So how you come by the name? Because the government name is Ruel Ellis.
Yeah, what now? Them call me, I go as WOLFMAN first. Them I call me WOLFMAN.
Why?
Just the roughness of me.
Oh, okay.
See? And when me Alice Ringo now,
And Johnny.
and through my Johnny Ringo, and the DJ them I love, and that style there. Take up the big voice and throw up on a style, and it come make the hit.
Yeah,
you see? So, me say, Jonathan WOLFMAN, and it band.
That was that.
Yeah, we are DJ, Happy Tone.
So that was your first sound.
Yes, my first sound start DJ upon as a
Happy Tone.
Yeah.
Anybody with name was there at the time?
Yes, man. Great champion passed through that sound there, you know. First, a Dennis Star. Dennis Star used to play it.
Okay.
Seeing it owned by Major Worries.
Major Worries owned the sound.
Him uncle, him cousin, family. Member.
Okay.
Major Worries. In a Major Worries yard. But Freddie, he named Freddie. Peace best on him soul in pass on. Freddie no want Major in there. Because Major a troublemaker. See?
Yeah.
You trust Major
Worries a troublemaker.
Major a troublemaker. Yeah. Him no get that the name, remember you know?
Major Worries.
Yeah, man.
So his name related to him?
Oh. Yes, man. A Luton Fire granny by his father's side. Name him Worries. See? But from him dead there, Major, me we are like a youth, you know.
Right.
See? So, me hear enough thing, you know. And major. You hear me no king? I me know Major. We grew up together. Major was dead. WOLFMAN dead. Joe Mannix dead. Not
Joe
lightning.
Mannix was there as well.
Not lightning. I mean, a Major most of their lightning were come before it. Then after that, when we leave.
Black Lightning.
No, man. With their Happy Tone.
Happy Tone, right?
Yeah. Dennis Star. Dennis Star move on, go up a lightning.
Oh.
So, anyway, Dennis play.
On a gun with him.
See, cause lightning a bigger sound.
Okay. And not just lightning in him or Black Lightning?
Lightning.
Just lightning?
Lightning, yeah. When we go there, so, Dennis a play it. Me there, Major there, Joe Mannix there, and whether they are going with the thing as youth and a build up with it. But so me they are lightning. One night a man come check me and say, yeah, what? I can DJ my sound for me, I don't remember the sound name. But I done a Pine Tail, Kissing Town somewhere. And when we reach there, and there, Mr. Santa coming in. The great Lieutenant Stitchy, now know him.
Right.
But them time there Mr. Santa coming, because I know Santa. You know.
Oh, you knew him before?
Yeah, man, I know Santa.
You know Santa?
Spanish Town Secondary.
Oh.
Them man, they're athletics runner, you know. Me know him know me. Because I troublemaker kind of at the time, you know. Him run track and field.
Right.
So the school know about him, and Bert and Cameron them. So the school know him. Them know me, but they're troublemaker. Some you know him,
yeah,
so.
well.
I go up there and I say, Santa. I say, where are they, sir? I say, the promoter carry him for DJ. But the owner for the sound carry me.
Okay.
Early 80s.
Early 80s.
You know? Because we try from 70s. See? And when we go there, so now, the night, me are listening. Bad, you know. But, to me know, say son, because remember, you know, son of my neighbor, you know.
Son of your neighbor too?
Son of my neighbor. Me live here, so. Luton Fire live here, so. Me and Luton Fire yard at one wall.
One wall?
Yeah. Then you have one little piece of land, so and the next house, so a son house. And me will tell you something. Me know Papa son, no, not to protect Papa son. Me know Tyrone. Patrick. That's a Dirtsman.
Dirtsman, right.
Me know them from whole of my life. When you're a youth, you're a baby and you go, maybe a year or two older than son.
Right.
I know some about November 64, Dirtsman born March 65, so you know a few months that. Son me about a year and a half, 2 years younger. So as long as me know life,
You know son.
me know Son and Dirts. Patrick and Tyrone before Son and Dirts. Him brother named Gravel. Roel Thompson.
Well, yeah.
I mean Roel Ellis.
Right.
Me know say Silda that Gravel mother. Cause them are two different mother. She half of me, Roel George Ellis.
Him name.
Him name Roel Thompson. I mean a Roel man. See, so me I tell you about my brother them. Yeah. A son father take the black and white TV when we are youth and turn it in a color by putting the grease paper something over it. Yeah. When we are youth. And that's how we watch TV because none of them are here.
Yeah, right.
See how over Miss Becky. See? Luton, I'm a neighbor, next door neighbor. In there, the yard, wherever you come there, right now, after him have things.
Right. Because Luton first link me, say, he might give me the link, you know.
Yeah, man. See?
Yeah.
All right. This one time, yeah, DJ sound. Now, one good thing on my rehearse and my yard with a Luton do mixing.
Oh.
Luton can DJ good, you know. Good too, you know. Before this, Luton fire and the thing, you know.
Okay.
Because he used to bust him tune them and rate, you know, but him take it a joke and laugh. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
so,
man.
other era that we go away.
A be a star and I look to serve for them, man.
Yes.
Potential stars.
Me see the night when Son I go around the country. You know.
The city night.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Me have a tea take. Me know I ain't shy, I ain't no state fighter.
Yeah, right.
But me have a tea take. But I ain't skate that. Gemini, Jaro, and the real Son, when Ringo gives Son half an hour. When Son done the half an hour, the Son is the greatest DJ in our country.
In a half an hour.
In a half an hour, man. Time I look at youth, you know.
Yeah.
Some little things, some little lyrics, and some little something, man. Make some trouble. For the general talk, remember, you know. Super Cat a top DJ, you know.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, you know. Super Cat a bad DJ, you know.
True that.
We can tell you, you know. You got some artists where they're there. When we can tell us, I have most respect for them artists. Yeah. From Cat, Early B, Peter Metro, you name them. General Trees, the elder them before we,
right.
Josie Wales, Charlie, and not for elder, Briggy them, and come up. Cause yeah, remember we working at the same field. So, for we figure when we want to get great, you know, remember you have to go ahead of them, man.
Out to them, man.
If you're out to them, you can know you're great. At them, man, they set the standard.
True.
Where you have to follow. See? When me and Stitchy going around clash, you know, when I DJ Lightning, you know.
Versus it.
Yes, man, Stitchy DJ City Light, man.
And you the pan Lightning.
I'm the pan Lightning, man. Me and Joe Manix are major words, them also. But I'm a win.
You kill something.
Yeah. I'll go one man can't do them, can't kill them. You know. No one. Professor Nuts will do it.
Yeah.
WOLFMAN will do it. Nobody else can do it, you know, because you want DJ like them. And you cannot DJ like them. I'm an old say, who bother? Me bother.
You bother?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Me bother. Not going to tell you, say, me I go out to them and me lyrics there and me I go out to them. You have to, I mean know how to get over them. Not me, you know.
Yeah, nuts.
Yes, nuts will know to can hear this. We do it. One time, when Wolfman, Stitchy, Professor Nuts, Papa San, that was a back way. Anything coming out, I got dropping. Because that was a buckle. Yeah? Then people don't know it.
But our creation, Sir One, are just
anyway,
one regular dance. Anyway, okay.
We used to go enough place. Class 1 sound in a St. Anne's, a Mobile, with enough place with Pansium so but remember, everywhere we there, it is a clash.
Anywhere to book up.
Anywhere, because tomorrow, when the dance done, me want to hear say, and me mash it up. See? Likewise, Stitchy. Likewise, Son. But Stitchy and Son, you hear me now? People talk it. Me did it. I mean, face it. So me know what happened. I don't know, man, I tell you how it got through. No. Every dance Stitchy do, a Stitchy and Wolfman, stereo one. All right. Stitchy come call me one day, me up on a stone construction with that when we had DJ Lightning. I say, Wolf, one sound a tone one to you know. So what your name? I say, stereo one.
Stereo one.
Grand Spend.
Grand Spend.
Yeah. Me not too know a Grand Spend there, you know. Me know a uptown.
Yeah.
First thing, the night when the dance, I'm up play Scorpio, the Red Rose sell the package to Cliffy.
Oh.
But when him tell Cliffy say, Cliffy say 1, 2 DJ. Red Rose say, I can't give you
2 DJ.
2 DJ. Cliffy said, then good. Red Rose said, the baddest thing them a Spanish town. Cliffy said, no man. Son of the baddest thing, man. Red Rose said, no man. Them bad and son. Cliffy said, all right, send them come. Me know where Red Rose attack from, you know. Red Rose attack from a point of view. Him know we. We decided it already, you know. Wolfman, Stitchy, Papa San, Bicot with did there. Joe Mannix, Major Wells, enough of we did there. Then it starts select a lightning. I mean, I'll tell you something, you know. I come with one thing called the Animal Party. And me come, and me an animal, and me an old. And me, yeah, what? And me come with a session and party after the elder, the general, Lord Sassafras, keep the dance at Intercounty. Remember, you know, a Sassafras first keep this party thing here. Right. And me hear the party thing. But when me come with it, me come with an animal party. Remember at night, you know, when it decide, you know, and the animal party bus the night, you know, with couple more party behind the thing. The iniquity work, a congregation, and these things. Me done them. me remember.
Yeah.
What our place where bakery did there we call Blanco Yard. And the bakery did Ghana over there with them. Like
which part of the dance here?
Old Road.
Old Road, okay.
Cross from the yard.
Your place where?
Yeah, no, but hear me. It whole away place.
I choke, I hold out the group road as of a joke.
It whole away place. Let me tell you something. The yard in front, the lane, you can the town living. See? Yeah. My gate up on the front, film yard, now go back to my yard. So, Lady G live behind the yard around 9 of the lane. So, it whole away place. But may I tell you, where I'm Stitchy, dead there. Stitchy, I'm a brother, you know. Stitchy, I know me blood. But
brother.
I'm a brother. Stitchy, Lieutenant Stitchy, a Wolf, brother. See him big up Super Strong. Now another brother named Super Strong, I have a big son. You have a son, I'm going to be Super Strong. Big up Super Strong. My brother that too. See? But Stitchy, yesterday, son, not different. Me and Tyrone go 50 out of my 58 years. Me know Tyrone for 54. Me know Tyrone and the whole of my life. Me know Tyrone. See? Me know Stitchy for 40 whole heap of years. Come here, I'm from with Buck. a lightning city light clash from that ever since. Wolfman and Stitchy. And one time, if you see Stitchy downstairs, Wolfman the upstairs. Anywhere you see Stitchy, you say Wolf. I saw the combination coming in. Stitchy and Wolfman combination is not a combination. Me thought that word, Stitchy thought that. We do that top and future.
Right.
But Stitchy and Wolf combination is, if me tell about the house, and me build a house, Stitchy could have build one other something for you, but show you how you more build it. So we have the combination, rich man life,
Yeah, rich
ghetto
man life, yes.
See, I'm now ghetto left out, me youth them. Ricky Stereo, Daddy Blue. Ricky Stereo, Clifton Henry, nephew, Stereo one.
Okay.
See, him know about the sound. Think of him father, they used to have part type when I type.
Oh, okay.
So, you know what I mean? Because Cliffy and him father two brothers. See? Me now, and Stitchy now, it Spanish Town, Red Rose tell them about me. Me got Stereo one and Stitchy, you know. When me got Stereo one, you know. We go do a dance with Scorpio. When me go there, me see Burro Bantam.
From Scorpio.
No man, Stereo one.
Stereo, okay.
Stereo one. Junior Demos.
Oh.
And another little army
Artist.
of entertainers. You know, some more, you don't know how dance all used to go. Some we good and some and such. But yeah, we know say the Bantan, the good.
Right.
We know that. We know Burro Bantan. Burro Bantan come from Jaro.
Gemini.
I mean, know Junior Demos. Full of style. I know him. You have him craft, but him good. When we go there, we talk with Cliffy, tell Cliffy money where we are charged. Cliffy smile at Cliffy that. We got the dance. You don't know until Mikey Dread songs, but
But Mikey Dread and Mumble or the selector.
that before Mumble.
Oh, before Mumble. So Mikey Dread was
Mikey
before
Dread
Mumble.
Mikey Dread
Original
the
selector.
original selector.
Okay.
Mikey Dread Billy Box them. Mikey Dread keep the sound. Mikey Dread play the sound. Mikey Dread fix the sound. Mikey Dread. See? It's a all-purpose brethren. Mikey Dread don't know we. So him, them man they, you know, me get the mic, me give Stitchy. Stitchy get the mic in DJ, him give me. Only mic one 4 times, give Stitchy one. The mount artist. Alright, the morning, Cliffy pay we. Cliffy say me like how no sound. Cliffy no come round, you know. Go one side, cause he no know we. Never hear a word from we yet. But Red Rose sell him and him buy nice. Man, Sunday morning, him say, me love how the sound and everything. Wednesday night, come at the HQ. Wednesday evening, we come at the HQ. Mikey Dread string up sound. We start DJ from about 6 o'clock. Then we go something there. But we know good ways, you know. We know good ways, because I'll tell you. It's a super cat. Super cat make me know something good, you know. Yeah, why? Super cat used to come on Waterloo, you know. Sony Mellow Stereo. My early beep on Thursday night. So we used to go up there, you know, with lightning them, you know. We know we carry crew. But different from carrying the crew. The people, remember Supercat are early be a jar.
Right,
DJ,
right,
the big
right,
man
right.
them they are road to. That's when we go up there. Me not really see them as a better DJ than me. Don't get me wrong. Cat second down, cat will kill you. Cat full of tune.
Yeah.
The way there, it's through the one style. The level this there. Him bad and him remember a bad recording artist. Can't take that from the great man. See? So me know that early be never last week. The whole of the time where we lost him earlier within the game coming up, you know? Alright. So me know me good. We got Stereo one the Wednesday night. Evening, when me left out of Stereo One yard, about 10 o'clock the night, we had tried to catch a first bus. Me no know which way to go. Because the way of me coming at the yard, from coming down Grand Spend from 4 roads, remember which hand going at the yard from right to Morgan Lane. So I say, all right, we know this. This when the dance, about 10 o'clock when we're ready to move. No fence, not there.
Fence, much
So me no know definitely which way to go from, but we figure it out.
Yeah.
Run come a Don Robin. Whole a bus come a Spanish Town. No, we no see Cliffy. We check him in at the evening when we come in. But me no see Cliffy in at the place. Cliffy down a yard.
I listen.
Me don't know if Cliffy had listen to can hear what happened. He down there, yeah man, he slump and he find down listen.
Yeah.
And down there start pose. Car. The man then start run down there and Cliffy, where you get the artists from? I'm not say a female artist name. You see, that's how we say it, you know.
Yeah, man.
See, yo, Cliffy, dead. That's why we leave. We not even see him when we leave. But the Thursday, me there my place and Stitchy Ghana school time, Stitchy there GC first.
Right.
Yeah. And somebody come in the yard and say, one man out here so to you. When we go out there, I say, Cliffy. I say, we're Stitchy there. I say, Stitchy down at school. The GC say, make we go down there. I'm not carry them in our car, I go down there with them and we check Stitchy. I say, boy, here what happened? I want to the DJ that sound for me, you know.
Full time.
The people them say, where you get in the ear, not like that, you know. A son alone in the ear with a something there, you know, and he never hear nothing yet. Because Mikey Dread do everything in the books which we have. Nobody no hold back Stereo One mic. That evening, that Wednesday evening there, me and Stitchy from about 6 o'clock to about 10 o'clock. When we done, no fence, nobody no come in. Because Mikey Dread play a snake for we, you know. But we are work with him.
So why Mikey Dread didn't do that though?
I don't know, you know. Mikey Dread could have film.
Bridging them,
Film artists they were used to, you know. He don't know where he come from.
Like I say, what's the Bora and
Yeah,
Demus.
man. But them dead there. And no man no even come get now something. Because this one somewhere. That's something I know kind of different. And when I see this now, they must say, what this? If a man job at stake, you know, no man no hold back Stereo One night from the Wednesday night there.
Yeah, Stitchy.
Nobody no DJ back Stereo One from the Wednesday night there, you know. Friday night after the Wednesday night, the Thursday Cliffy come check with. So come at HQ Friday night. We say we go at HQ, we don't have to look to come back home, you know. Cliffy people your place, so we stay. Yes. And they'll tell us so we don't have to start DJ from 6
Early
o'clock again. We can't wait till later. But you see, before we start DJ, every tree full. If you could build inside a mic, every building top full, Stereo One black. And hear me. For about 6 months, Stereo One yard I get that something here. Till Kenneth, the crown and anchor man, say, yeah, what happened? Now invest our money and keep her down to Stereo One. Bam, Stereo One. Make one kick. Redman come.
Redman International.
Yes, man. Yo, so when we go out there the evening, because we go out there, you know. Redman have a nice sound, you know, big sound, you know, big, pretty varnish, pretty back, big sound, you know, towards Stereo One. Stereo One a little sound, you know.
Right.
And Stereo One is not a bad sound. Nobody tell me that. It's just a little sound. Mikey Dread know if you do, if you make nice the right way and some tune there.
Yeah.
But you know what? Just play a part two. Stereo One no depend on tune.
Because version of a place.
And that
DJ
has
mash up a place.
2 words half of the vocals, and you pull it up Mikey Dread. Turn you over.
Problem.
Come in Little John. Come in Courtney Melody. Crystal Bobby. Bendy Lou. Bobby Boom. Michael Buckley. Enough youth coming up. Because I couldn't tell you, Clifton Henry, at that time, he named it. Clifton Henry had the best bars.
Best bars.
I deal with sound, you know. Remember, Clifton Henry a youth, you know. Whole of we are the youth. And Clifton Henry's a youth. In can't let go this. This too good for you. Now tell us something. Stereo one keeps on dancing. You know. Some people behave some way with Stereo one. Come here tell you some stitchy. Me can't tell a man that. Stitchy. Anything you see the eyelash come across and so. Problem. And stitchy pull a vibes. There's not a stitchy without a WOLFMAN, you know. You cannot get 110 out of stitchy.
If WOLFMAN did that.
If you say if you even get it, if Wolf did it, you're going to get 120, 130, you'll get more out of stitchy. Because here what? Stitchy no say. You have to go, you know. The last business me and Stitchy take care of is ghetto music. The brother want to beat the sound from Moby in ghetto. And the first sound me and Stitchy got Moby go DJ. Me not even, we come from a Saturday night dance. See? Sunday morning, me and Stitchy called me and say, him come check me. The man one brother say, Wolf, we have to go Moby here now. I say one dance down there. Tiger and brought back on. If he said, Wolf, we never DJ and Moby yet, you know, come we go no man. I say, alright, because I can't tell him now. You know.
Right.
No, I can't tell him now, you know. I say, alright, we are going to be. Jump in a van and time about 4 or 5 we have to reach a man to go be here. Reach a Moby and thing. God, the youth place grass one hillside the sun. We ready and hold a show and come in a Hart Street, Candlestick Land, ghetto music. And I come there, you know. The sound play good. Look how Tiger driving, rock back. We might have drive rental. See, we not there, so we just a come. First we are DJ in a man to go be.
Yeah.
Nobody don't know we. It's just the youth will take Stitchy, know about it, because you used to their college.
Okay.
Yeah? When we go son, come in at the dance and the PS start pump, because we love do that, you know. Pump the PS with you, go on, see where I go on, feel you out. Then blow up. Because we know if you blow up, you know.
Yeah.
Easy. And we go for a combination. Ghetto life, rich man life. But I want wicked combination, you know. Me a rich man, Stitchy I ghetto man.
Right.
And so we're done. And throw our lyrics at Stitchy. Because I know him more answer. It's when we done throw them 2 lyrics there. We roll. I tell you, I see that already. I see San do it. In a Skateland, Gemini Jaro, I see San do it. When San get about half an hour, when him done, San are the greatest in our country. Next morning.
Yeah.
You see me there? It's so easy.
Yeah.
See, because here we work as a team, you know. See, because so I just saw it. And Stitch is a man motivating that way there. Me lay back, you know.
Okay.
But Stitch is a man now lay back. He might go feet, because he know where he want. That man make do construction pan here, you know. See,
Yeah.
because I can't build any building. You give me the blueprint, maybe get any building built for you. Yes, man. See? We go so bam, we got him up here. When Tiger them come in, as me say, me and Stitchy, I go on with it, them a Tiger and Brockback I go on till Brockback drop. Yeah man, the pace I get...
Too much for him.
Yeah man, the pace I get heavier and heavier. Brockback drop. So, we know we have to, me know now, you what now? We have to just deal with Tiger. Remember Tiger a big artist,
Yes,
you know? Don't get me wrong, you know. When and the big lyrics them and the big tune them. But we get him, because we get anybody can hear one. We could have out DJ you, you know.
Right.
Out lyrics, you out DJ, you one wolf or some can hear one. Stitch is not a man, we don't DJ slackness, you know. We DJ Arms House. See?
Yeah, the DJ slackness.
No,
the
me not DJ
Arms
slackness.
House.
Me DJ also.
Also, yeah.
Me love DJ people carelessness,
Right.
tenement yard living, iniquity working. You have to go with where we don't do it to ghetto part time, and that's what I like still. You see, all right. You see, your professor not to come and we tell you about 1 yard of carelessness.
Right.
Other way there. You cannot get stitchy and sand if you do not know how to DJ. You have to can DJ for DJs and then DJ way up yourself.
Right.
So where you have to go up there, I say enough man come and feel like say I saw it go and stitch you and you're gone if you go and do it to them. No.
Can't work.
No. Stitch and son have to be tricked.
You have to trick them to kill
Yes. Yes. Me know son. Son no love nice. Son is a man of miserable, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, man. And dirt man, miserable. Can I say, then granny, you see me get them miserable, you know, by calling them, you know.
Yeah.
So me see me calling them phones and go out, so me know them. If you make nice man, son,
You get them out.
you get him out. You know. And me, make ninja man know how to get rid of that son, you know. In the dead, 4 sound Tasha Hanover, ghetto music, I'm out. Stereo One, WOLFMAN, Stitchy the Foreign,
So you did that running
Ricky
top.
Stereo,
So yeah, Ricky Stereo. Okay.
Daddy Blue, and the crew. Jaro, Supercat, Creation, Papa,
Papa
San.
San.
Great River, na Hanover. You can't DJ outside, me know that. Me sure of that. Me know Stereo One is a more quicker sound than for them sound to how Stereo One play
Right.
and to how we DJ. You see, San can come with the pace, but him sound no play that way, yeah. San no like nice. So must make a bang of nice man, San, and get him out.
Yeah.
You make nice man, you get him out. So come you have to trick him, you know. A San, you know. Remember, me know what is who. A San, you have to trick him. Stitchy, another man. Me know how to get out, Stitchy. Them also know the style. When you see them DJ I can't go out there. So I have to stay where me stay. And just keep my little thing round here so. And care where the ladies them over here so. Them will tell you a story. And them will tell you all of them. They'll tell you about Boom Boom Fatty.
Boom, boom, party.
And carry the party here so. Get rid of them. Yeah, but me can tell you. We love the thing. Are the best them. The body now, between me and you, we'll talk the plain fact thing as well it go. The class where them there, a certain man can't even DJ other class there. And if you don't know what you do, you can't get ahead of them. Me know if you do it. Professor knows know if you do it.
Professor Nuts.
Me don't know who else know if you do it. But me tell you, me know how to do it. Professor, remember every night
You did that with them.
me have to do that with them, you know. If I know San or Stitchy, you know. Every night me have to do that with Stitchy, you know. Yeah? San different. We both enough different sound. You know, enough different thing. And then if San DJ over say, you know, and we DJ over say, you know. San want make sure you know say, then say over so. Did attack over so, you know. Because so you go, you know. Because one competition I go on, you know, between San and Stitchy. And you see move on, you know, with Beanie and Bunty, till you see Cartel and Vado. Me like it.
You like it?
Yes, man, me like
As
it.
long as you don't get violent.
Me don't want it to get violent.
Yeah,
I want it to keep.
It's important to the music, man, as long as you don't get violent, man.
And the next thing, respect. To the youth them, even the young one them, we are doing it. Because you know, it's when we did just come with it. The man then did say we are DJ too fast. That the elder them are come from the brigade them thing where the studio one.
Slower.
Yeah, you know seeing so you know after time it go
Evolve.
pace ago. You know seeing the youth them we are doing it now. Them have to just keep them thing good. Make sure them alright with it. And then the next thing, Me here one interview, you know.
My interview?
Yeah, man. With lecturer.
Yeah.
Serious.
Yeah.
I mean, I say this now. Me, WOLFMAN, don't know lecturer.
You don't know.
No. Me know see lecturer pan shows. Same style pan show. Me don't know.
So there was never a time when creation and Stereo One go at it where
lecturer is there and I, WOLFMAN, is
never
there. No, it's one creation, Stereo One dance. Me know about. With creation and Stereo One string up. And I'm a win.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm a win. First song Tasha, a great river.
Hanover.
Yeah, Hanover. And me win. See? Me no know no lecture. I mean never DJ somewhere where lecture upon the next and I with upon the same song.
So let me ask you a question and I just say that. So creation at the time, apart from his son, who else you remember being over there?
Over creation?
Yeah.
Me know Flatty Ranks, O'Neill Famous, me know when Kiddy I play the sound, me know when I think Chupa did come on the sound and that.
Chupa was there when I time
yes,
DJ.
Me know Mother G, me know our son, me know everybody that say me don't know lecturer. Me a lecturer, you know. Stitchy, Stereo One, and Cliffy. You hear me? Me no know when that, you know.
Oh, you don't know when that?
Me no know when that. I nothing, but me know I wasn't there. If something like that go on.
You never did it?
I wasn't there. See? Lecturer was no artist towards, don't get me wrong. When him come with him little something, it did hold some little people. But that couldn't come in a Stereo One dance hall, you know. It can't hold Stereo One dance hall, you know. Because you don't know where you go get when you come at Stereo One dance hall, you know. Because remember, you know, Stereo One are the greatest artist ever. Lieutenant Stitchy. Me I tell you that, you know.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, you know, you see, son. Me will tell you again, say, you know. If me talk about son, me will say the greatest artist ever to, you know, because hear this, you know. You see, anybody get them good night, you have one good night when nothing no wrong. Nothing at all no wrong. When you get a good night, you are the greatest. Remember that, because every man make mistake. And we are doing it, you know. We know when we don't get a good night, you know. We know when we get the best night, you know. And when WOLFMAN, Stitchy, and Son get the best night, if we get it in the same place, me sure know so me can defeat them, you know. Because Son and Stitchy all go too hard at each other. They must tired. Me sure of that. Yeah. Kelly's Land, 1987. Then tired. Me dead there. New lyrics. Bad Man Living.
Bad Man Living.
Bad Man Living. New lyrics. The dance I keep with Bigger Ford. Lend them, them. Them in the dance and the whole thing. Bad Man Living. It's when the Opel draw down with Bigger Ford leg and Amin. You watch a bad boy, them just keep trembling. Me get them time legal gunshot affair in a dance.
Yeah,
you know.
right.
Me get couple 21 round immediately same time. And they have to come and say, what happened? Them time we learn one different type of DJing. Son could have do it, Stitchy could have do it, me could have do it. We know about it. Remember, you know, don't get me wrong, we pattern
each other.
Well, yeah, we have to pattern. We have to know where I go on with it. We pattern each other. We cannot go around that. See? I think where you know start back the lyrics.
Let us pick up and
you
continue.
Start back one verse before the lyrics. So I come back, come remember, you know, I come and I say, just the other day, I see a rental driving. 5 bad boys sit down and them a top ranking. Them up on them ears pants make out a turling. Them in a whole heap of rope chains, whole heap of gold ring. You look on them face, it full of ears ring. You look on them face, then keep on screwing. The hunger thing could have pull it, is a coffin. Dunkans and Spring Road, then keep driving. When the stoplight go hold them out, don't robbing a Opel draw down with Bigger Ford Leng and Army. You see when me said that?
And them in there?
Yes, man. Me get 21. Them say, what happened? So me say, don't cancel Spring Road, then keep driving. The supply go hold them out, don't robbing that Opel draw down with Bigger Ford Leng and Amin. Just watch a bad boy, them just keep trembling. 21. Mother kill them. then dead. The two of them dead in a Kelly's land that night. Without no apology.
Jonathan Wolfman.
Yes, because you know who this? Stitchy, son, Wolfman. St. Catherine DJ them. And I know say we are the champion. I know that. You couldn't get nobody to come in other thing there. Listen, Professor Nuts.
No General Trees.
No man, Jeremy, great, trees great.
Yeah.
Very great. Alright.
No Bonnie General.
No man, Bunny General did have him in class, but him not the right.
He did,
Alright, Tree Sound Clash, Skateland,
That a Jaro.
Stereo One,
Scorpio.
Black Scorpio. Trust me. Stitchy Crush, everything. You hear me? Stitchy no walk from Skateland. Go to Grand Spen Road, him chew up in the ear.
People came.
Yes. And I tell you something, a soldier and police stop him. Man, did I go get lyrics till him blew in there. You hear me say, cause here what? We will want this, you know. Trees bad. Trees bad. Cat a champion. We all know that. You can't go around Cat.
Who was on jar with Cat at the time? Ninja?
Ninja, but Ninja did young.
Oh.
Lick him Kata. You know see? Kill him Kata, but you walk now. Kata get squeezed. You know see it?
Yeah.
I saw it go. Kata get squeezed. All in the pan is kill him Kata. Kill him Kata, but lyrics are blaze at Cat. Sit you go, draw one tune with Liquor John. Liquor John I sing, give me no bun. Give me no bun, no give me no bun, girl. And Stitchy go say, come in with one thing, say, no give your lover no bun, no give her your lover no bun, no give her your lover no give her. And me I tell you, life is a funny thing, nobody take it with he. But you see, when show him lyrics, come here, I'll tell you something. You know. Them time there, you know, we good, you know. Me I tell you, say, better than the pack, you know.
Yeah.
It have to be, as me tell you again.
Yeah.
To that style of DJing there and that class there
Nuts.
is Professor Nuts and Papa San and Stitchy and Wolfman. No, that quality type of DJ were there so full, you know. I mean, talk with no apology. See, because you couldn't test Stereo One. Nobody couldn't test Stereo One. Remember, you know, you have Metro Media, Peter Metro. You have Black Scorpio, General Trees. Them times Sasa not dead there.
Okay.
You have Trees. See? You have Jammies, Admiral
Really
and Chaka. I kind of, you see them cool. I compatriot them there where we run together.
Okay.
Seeing how we can DJ Jammy sound wherever I play.
Okay.
Seeing King give it that privilege because we are King of that. So Chaka, Admiral and Major is them. It's like a crew in it. You know what I mean? We dig after the man where we have to have it with it, Papa San. Don't get me wrong. Tyrone, terrible. Tyrone, terrible. Every man want, because Tyrone mash up everybody.
Everybody.
Yeah, man. Young people, them Tyrone don't mash up yet, you know. A Wolfman. In all the finishing, go mash up all Stitchy, you know.
One sting there?
Yeah, man, sting there, you know. But me, I'll tell you why. Stitchy now go prepare.
Yeah.
Trust me, me know that. All right. You see the thing with Jamming Studio? Eh? As with Beanie Man and Stitchy and
Right.
me like, you know.
You like
great,
it.
yeah man, the great Stitchy get to Stitchy bad, you know.
Yeah.
So Stitchy know if he get out of things. But you see, from where your size, if Wolfman did that, Stitchy no DJ where your size of flat, you know. You know him have to lift. And where your size your pitch and not fear pitch now.
Right.
Go with a full, you come with a studio pitch. But it's not a studio thing. It does a guan in our studio. See? So when you come with the high pitch, the pitch where you have. See? Nobody can go with that pitch about Papa San, you know. I have the confidence and the craft, and if you can balance that pitch there. And nobody not do that yet. You know. And with them do it, you know. The curious, so no come and do another pitch them have, you know, just listen when them are talking. You see, me know it. Night, day, years. I have to listen to it. You know.
Yeah.
I have to develop strategy, start the way out it go round me, you know. So me know it. See, but as me say, again, the little youth, the one who name lecturer, me don't want him do that. See, there was another youth, I don't know him, but people ask me from where they about sure, WOLFMAN. Remember, me not say you can't have one next WOLFMAN, you know.
Yeah.
Because you have lot of Bantans,
Right.
lot of Demoses. The Bantans, they are all good, great. I mean, champion them, all of them. The Demoses, them from Father Demos to the sons of the Demoses, them have the craft, them keep the Demos craft. You have the ranking, them win all Grammy. See? So if you come within the Wolf thing,
Yeah,
from the Alpha to the Omega, remember said that them have the position. You have to good,
Yeah.
and you have to don't come as just a WOLFMAN. You have to tell you his wish.
WOLFMAN.
WOLFMAN, because I don't want you go somewhere and go flap.
I hear say a WOLFMAN.
And then say WOLFMAN and then think of Jonathan. Can me tell you something? Dancehall, sound.
Yeah.
Me no prove 45, you know. Me do a lot. Me do a lot, but you know,
Can we ever talk about that today?
in at the time
Yeah.
when 45, you know, me do a lot, you know, but I know me are the producer. I know me are the producer.
So some of them not go road.
Me don't know what they do with them, you know. Me notice that enough tune go road, you know, but you don't know which party go road, good or go road, Switzerland.
Place.
You know, see,
some white label.
for some white label around or some little place. You never know that. You know, see. So, but me do whole heap of tune.
Yeah?
Yeah. Me do whole heap of tune with nothing. Steely, and Cleavy, Jammies,
Techniques.
Penthouse, you name them. Me the whole heap of tune from Jamaica to America. Whole heap of tune. But you see the difference.
So what is song then,
I don't
Jonathan?
know. I don't. Me know say.
Alright, so if I tap on my head, before you go any further, Bad Man Living, Village Rooster, Boom Boom Fatty, Zane,
Bad Boy
Boy Billy.
Stop playing with your life.
Me never see that.
You whole heap of tune, me do. Whole heap of tune.
Well, in our research, bro,
Yeah.
I don't
but
see them.
Simple, because most of them are not gonna push them out. I don't know what them do. And then, but you see me, a sound I did love DJing.
Rubber Dub
He's a
setting.
sound DJ. See, me not really come look for no tune. Cause me and some man, when me do all tune for a bridging, you know, serious, you know. Cause all Bad Boy Billy,
Bad Boy Billy.
depend King Jam is name.
Evanless with him.
He's a king. I'm a big man, a king. I'm a big king. I grow with kingdom as my legend, my God. I mean, I make nothing at all
Right.
to make me a king of a bad day.
It's a Bad Boy Billy.
Yeah.
Yeah. On Jammy's label.
Yeah. I don't remember if I steal a tune or Jammy's tune.
I think a Jammy's, when we see it, I wrote a Jammy's label.
But remember, nothing steely though. One
Run a
time.
Jam.
You know me there and so and so. See, I mean, the man there. The different. The man there.
But we put so structure to the thing though, bro, because we hear you out, you know. We are go back a little, because you left lightning and you go stereo one.
Stereo one.
Zine, after stereo one, you like resident by any other sound. After stereo one, you just go work so.
No, we work sound, but I still have my sound right now. I still have a sound, my life sound, you know.
Just sound, see
Yeah, man, super strong, man.
Super strong.
The sound
But that sound I'm up here.
Yeah, man.
Ah.
What, 32 years now.
Oh yeah?
We are running with strong, you know.
Okay.
From foreign, you know, it's me strong. From the first time I buck strong, you know. I buck him one evening, you know, when I'm brother-in-law came and go link him. And the nether day, we cut some tune. And I buck Leroy Sibbles. Leroy Sibbles sing some tune for us. From that day down till today, you know.
Yeah, they run strong.
Yeah, man. Strong man will be like studio. Give me, you know, man. Yeah, man, super strong, man.
We talk, as we say, we look at the structure, you know. So while at stereo one, you call out some of the man them, when we say Jonathan WOLFMAN and Lieutenant Sitch are the two lead DJ.
Yeah.
We are Ricky Stereo, Daddy Blue.
Where Ricky Stereo is on the 2 years, we have to fix that something how it go.
Right.
You see, we DJ that means say we get time for work
Right.
and get something done. See? Daddy Blue, Ricky Stereo, run an earlier segment than me and Stitching.
Right.
You have at times them even joining come in a full segment too.
Okay.
See? So, but a stereo one. See? Stereo one and my sound and the sound that way. We do it with.
Right.
See?
You also had Bendelu,
Bobby Boom.
Bobby,
You have Liquor
Michael
John,
Buckley, Liquor John. Who else we left
Courtney
out?
Melody.
Courtney Melody.
Yeah.
Yes.
Courtney Melody, him. Melody, I don't know singer.
Melody a DJ.
No man, I see we see Melody a pass the yard. Pass Melody a pass the yard, you know.
Yeah.
And come in, you know. And they and well, Mikey Dread when the sound done playing at the HQ and pack up back the box them and just not left the yard. And just dead there.
He become a part of it.
Yeah, so when night time come and Stereo One, we done warm up and the before sound lock off, him start sing like tenor saw.
Oh.
So we name him Five Saw first. You see?
Yeah.
And one night we did there and the man them there at the yard and I said, yo, come sing and drive. Say, come sing and come in, you know, with the sound and the tenor saw thing and whoa, hey, and go on with some little thing and we name him Five Saw till Stitchy change it, quote the melody. And we write one tune for him, Screech Across the Border.
Screech Across the Border.
Yeah, but a theme something, you know. But him not have no lyrics to it.
Right, I wanna.
So me and Stitchy, they run at my old lady house, sit down in the kitchen one day, and just put the lyrics together, but when we put it together as Stereo One. See, Stereo One a Screech Across the Border for a dub. And him sing the dub, so from the dub to the 45. So me there, so I saw it come, so we make him.
But I've been trying to interview him for a while, so I don't know his story yet. You understand? So I'm glad to hear this.
We make him.
Yeah.
And him dead around the sound and sing around the sound until, you know, more time it's like him trouble. So yeah, them say quote the melody, man. No man. Sometimes quote the melody, just quote the melody. You have to just understand him.
I understand, man.
Me understand him.
Yeah.
I'm a brethren, him understand me like that too. The whole of them, you know. All right, here we go. So Stitchy is a disciplined man, you know. Serious. Even to Wolf, Stitchy set me straight, you know. Enough time, Stitchy make me walk in a lane where without Stitchy, I wouldn't there in another lane. Teach them. And me, Wolfman, mess up Wolfman, you know. Nobody no mess up Wolfman, you know. First of all, them say, in go foreign, in run off. No go so. And me happen to. Yes, we got foreign, Stereo One. We got foreign before, you know. That like Canada before. No Stereo One tour. See, all right, before that. You see, first time we got foreign, we ain't no foreign nothing, you know. Yesterday we not no foreign, you know. Today we not no foreign in idea, you know. night we not have no foreign, you know. On Saturday night, Saturday evening we not no foreign. No man. On Saturday night, you see him Saturday night we come from Stereo One. Me and Stitchy, Cliffy a car we over. One dance there, Jones Avenue, The Creation, Papa San. Dirts, man. We come and we stop out at the gate. Dirts, man, and sand pan a combination, you know, on the answer, you know. Do-dum, do-dum, do-do-do. And Dirts, man, them a answer each other like him will say. Admiral and Chakadi, them not ready. Wolfman and Stitchy, one say Wolfman and Stitchy, next one say, them a baby. Pompidou and Toloti a 4-foot donkey. I never forgot the lyrics.
Yeah.
And Cliffy there. We out a door, you know, out a road. Cliff say, hear me? I'm not defend that, you know. Defend that. When we go come at the gate, the night start making, you know. Because people want to see this, you know. We go in there. And the back will start. These are the champion. Yeah, Dirtsman in there too, you know, remember. Dirtsman a rock stone, you know. See? But we are punter. The punter and a go on and the pace a develop and the pace a catch and because that's how it go. Dirtsman start run dry. Push the pace a lift up. The big vice Dirtsman having but the pace a lift up with the DJ and a girl change. We know that. San know too. So San say to Dirt say, cooler. Make him. Dirtsman's a man with mad, you know. Dirtsman say, boy!
I got him, brother.
Yes, so the man them bad on you. Me I tell them, I know them good, you know.
Yeah.
Them miserably, you know. And me I tell you, you know, if I would get in, we don't start hunting, you know. Hunting, you know, Stitch and Wolf hunting. At the time when you know, Clinton Lindsay.
Ah, Clinton in the venue.
In the venue. So Clinton are here, we are going. So it's where Clinton used to live them time over Della. My baby mother lived right in front of the yard. So them tell Clinton tell us, shoot, them want to see me and stitch it. When we come, they want to bring Stitchy go for him. But Stitchy say,
nah, let's
Wolfman and Stitchy. So you get where, so you buy where, so you know where.
Yeah.
So me there, so in buy night, you never regret it. You hear me say? Because we go defend what we're supposed to go and
right.
defend. See? We go back on tour with Clinton Lindsay again. When we go back on tour with Clinton Lindsay, me have a brethren. We come check me in the dam. I remember them, man. If I were a youth, I'm a brethren. But in their foreign. And him a go and good. But a man tell me say, a youth in their foreign, me and him shout all the while. Junior Rider.
Oh, okay.
If everybody's supposed to know
Yeah,
about
man,
Junior
I know,
Rider, yeah? Junior Rider come check me and say, WOLFMAN. One youth over this one, Jugsman call you. I say, tell the Jugsman to come to me. I remember, you know, I know who me is, you know, the problem, you know. The youth send back. I'm going to tell the youth send back and say, I'm a virgin, man. He say, you know Royal Ellis? I say, yeah, man. He say, the man say, know you. But when I walk go to the wars, the soldier now, in face, I come to me now. I say, so I know that youth from school days, you know? And he come and he say, no, come and dance, I him know me. Give me him number and so on. So that's when me call next morning. Shelly Thunder me get.
Sometimes boy forget cook.
Yeah. So when me get Thunder say I baby father. So me there. So me and the man they start par now. Bam, about 2-3 weeks time. A youth murder him.
Oh yeah?
Yeah man. One thing I come now and I bad luck this I come now, you know. Cause me and him a par now, you know. Him get murdered. When him get murdered, you know, Ricky Stir, me never there out there, you know, to Green Acre Mall, you know. Ricky Stir out there. Daddy Blue out there. Cliffy them out there. Me there home at the yard. When him a bury, him wake. Me get ready, you know, I go there, you know. Shelly Thunder in her BMW. Time she pregnant with the second baby, and I think girl named Bandit and Salt and Pep, the rapper.
Salt and Pep, okay.
Yeah, because they're my friend. And going at the car with the woman, them, you know. And I see the next BMW coming, you know. With 3 men in there, you know. Me and my ganja spliff, my Heineken, me want to come out of that, because I want to smoke my spliff. Going at the car with the man, them, you know. Car drive. Me don't know me there, because we don't know foreign them time there. We just Me just see a police come out and stop the car. I send it off, you know.
Go over there, sir.
Yeah, when we go over there, I police station, 113 precinct in Queens. Then search the car and first man take come a spliff and mash it up. That's where me Heineken. In search the car and me one of them say, yes, I found it. Found it. You see man like a 25 automatic. When two man in the car, you know, them pull the gun pan somebody, you know. So then go pick up the third man. And then they come around and me they know me going to the car to make the fourth man. 4 we are got jail for 125, you know. But through them time they know we are Jamaican thing and you're not an informer, so
yeah,
I couldn't tell how far. Because I last man come back, I don't know. Then at the time I you but me are the oldest man in the car. I'm about 21, 22. Yeah? I'm the youngest little 16-year-old youth in the back. And then find the gun in the back. Upon the bail, my passport a fear over because I say I told me that pan way. My passport hand over, we get bail. 2 years the case take for done, you know. When we get back my passport at 2 years, remember my visa, remember you used to get about 6 months, the visa mash up already, you know. When we get back the passport 2 year time, we have about 5 more gun cases, you know.
What do you mean?
We didn't catch me with gun this and gun round this and gun this. So first of all, my brethren, when him dead, we control females.
Yeah.
See? So now we gone in our business now. Cause he have spot. So we in our business now. Remember, you know, from me go jail, you hold on for my passport. You don't give me no choice, you know. So we still go and DJ around the place, you know. Till me say, new artists come in, Shabba. Cause I never know Shabba in Jamaica, you know.
Okay.
Foreign, I know Shabba, you know. Major Mackerel, foreign, I know Shabba and Major Mackerel. So me there, I used to run an Iris, run a Jammies. I never know if the artist here. But soon, before 87 done, early by 88, we hear about the new artists. We know about Ninja. I don't know about Shabba till 88, 87, late them time there. Me know my visa mash up. Me are running our business. The boss dead. The feds still have him and him family and everybody for an investigation. But when the feds come, and the man when me got a court for the gun, you know, when they get when him a got, when him a bury, you know.
Yeah.
The 25, you know. 1987. September 18th. Done, you know. Wake up, go a shower. Stand up by the window, read my Bible, them time that you read your Psalms before all these things. And when I look, I see a federal agent are coming in. You know. Yeah, man. But me not depend on the federal thing, you know, but them find gun in the house.
And you're in there?
Yes, they find 4 guns in the house, so I charge for the next stack of gun again. Me get where for them liquor till the last one. The judge tell me that a Queens, you know, say, hear me. I'll let you go. So if you come back a mile away from the gun, I send you upstate. So I move from Queens, go to Brooklyn. Because I don't want to go upstate for not like Queens. I don't want to charge a Queens.
Yeah.
They are Brooklyn living now. But I go over one party over New Jersey. And a man lick me with a buckle in my face, you know. That eruption, yeah. And me started. A man lick me in my buckle, in my face with a buckle. Shut up, Heineken. And I have Inspector Willie. See?
Yeah.
So, me use Inspector Willie. Me in a problem now. And him first lick me. Me shoot people. Now me wanted, you know. Straight up wanted man, you know. First time they hold me at Chicago. Extradite me come to New Jersey. Me make a bail and me not jump the case. But it ended up jump because you want me. Them give me a court date. Which no, them don't give them when me get deal, then don't give me a court date, then send I will send it to my address. Where them send the court date, me never live there. That's where the boss did the Shelly Thunder and they
move from
where we
after
left
that.
from long time because feds they come down all the house. And then them send the thing. I'm out the road for 2 years. One night me and Super Cat do a show in a Long Island. Me and Strong a drive, my brethren. As me lift the show, a fugitive squad, pick up me and Strong. Then they go Strong call me them want. And me come back again. Me make bail. The case a go on till the case reach trial now. Me know say me guilty.
So you shoot.
Yes, so me shoot. So me guilty. So me say you know something. You know so me not really make them.
Sentence.
Me not come to them make them cook me. You can cook me, but you're going to have to catch me.
Oh.
Me did it till me get up and come to Jamaica.
You run, come on.
Yes, man. Come from one dance at Prison of All one morning. Big dance that Prison of All. No remember which two sound I play. But by me come home and go in at my house and me room. Fugitive squad, police.
Fugitive apprehension squad.
Yes, man. Me have a warrant from the United States when them show me the photo. So me know it. Me know the photo. Me take it to jail at Queens. Me know the photo.
Yeah.
So I say, all right, you got me. And the man them shit me away. And give me a whole heap of time.
The long stretch.
Yeah, man, whole heap of time, man, then give me, man.
What you call Wally Pattern?
When they give me 120, then give me 2 10-year, 120 year.
Whoa. That's a 40 year.
But you what they did do me?
So them a run consecutively or concurrently?
No, then they turn it concurrent for consecutive force.
40 years.
Yeah, man. But in a 7 years I'm coming, it fix up back. We may not back with the same 40, but it concurrent now. I'm gonna make the first parole. I spend 10 years, 3 months, 2 days, day by day, before me come back. When me come back, it's one different thing. Different gangs. The thing change. Different type of DJing. No flicker thing. So me just know say yeah what. To my style, me not see sound I play with DJ again. You see, sound just play DJ music.
Right. Just juggling and all.
I know my something now. My something. A WT and dance. Mike and DJ, and that me go up and that me know. Me know a change.
Right.
You know, me would do something, but me not really contest it that way. But one thing me know. If they want dead within that something, yeah, call it.
Jonathan Wolfman.
You call it. You call it. I would mind when you call it. Stitch it there. Come like work with Stitch.
Like
yes. Yeah, why? Yeah, why? The motivation.
Yeah, man. On the feed after on one of that energy too.
Yes, and then that tempo there where Stitch here, me like go with it. But me know how to go with it. So me there. So I just had a combination there. See?
Yeah, just some info. When you actually got sentenced, which year, remember?
All right. Me get told 93.
93.
Me get extradite 94.
Okay.
Me get sentenced November 29, 94. Me go to prison. Left the county jail, I reach a prison. February 2nd, 95. And I come from 93. I just reach a prison now. I'm the whole of time, the rest of the time in one prison.
Oh, okay.
Because you hear what now. So I go there, You know, the first thing, I have to educate myself because an elder tell me, say, him see me I buy it up, you know. And I say, Ross, you can't do it like that. Me don't buy it, make nice for him too, you know, but me catch. And I say, what make? So come on, Ross. The things you can do, you do it. The things you can't do, nothing from me, man. You have to just humble and work good. And him look on the sentence thing, him said to me, say, hear this. They do you bad. Say it's not right. Lawyer can get it. He said to him, say, lawyer, me not have no money. He said, you can get it. He said, me not have no education. He said, me try everything, you know. He said to him, say, when I say me not have no education, the man said, you can get that too. So I just say, all right. And through the system, we learn this. When you come at them system, yeah, you learn things where nobody can take back from you. And one thing when I learn, I mean, we say this now. It happened, it gone. We will never trade it for nothing.
Oh, yeah?
No. You saw me there GP. One morning, one Sunday morning, on December month, I think 93 December. I youth knock the wall. I said to him, say, Ulf, listen to your radio, because I'm a look at radio. He said, Dirt's man dead. I said, damn, dirty man dead. But I look and see the man them come down. We're charged for all Dirt's man.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, but the youth come say, come down for Dirt's man. I know him like this. Man Dirt's a cousin.
Yeah?
So I know them. He say, Wolf, me no kill Dirts.
Oh.
He say, him and the man go over there and something go on and Dirt's dead. He say, me there. Can't believe that, because I'll tell you something. Something I tell you, you know. That little youth there, when we are youth and we are play marble, around Dirt's man neck, you know. You have a little ball again, sit down on Dirt's man neck, and Dirt's not for all him, and then all Dirt's man pan it, and Dirt's play marble all about, you know, with the same man.
Little youth there.
When me, Ulf, witness come to prison.
The Dirt man is dead. Dead.
Him say no him, I believe say him upon a trigger upon the earth. Because him don't support, right there, so we know each other, so we go like family. Him not supposed to do it. Him say no him, maybe him friend them. Him say no, so I have to go with that. So me know, and me see we take from them time for the 10 years till me come back to Jamaica. You see, the day when I come home, I come one Saturday, you know, September 13, 2003, when me come and we come out at airport and the immigration officer, about 3 of them carry the day, a private plane, you know, and 6 of them, 6 immigration officers, 3 of each of we have 2 of them. When we come out and done board the plane and come off, I don't see them, you know. When we come off of the plane, I see them on the turn, you know. But we have to go to the office now. The man them say, Ulf, because the next 2 youth, they're friends from them at 3.
Oh, I'm not really knowing
Them
place
don't
like
know
that.
about
Right.
Them say, Ulf, we have to carry go Central, but we not carry you. We just want to tell you. And them a reason with me. Now me a Rasta, you know.
Right.
All that, you know. Because, yeah, what? Me a look strength, you know. When me in prison, I fight look for all God, you know. Me got Islam go look, you know. Seriously, you know. And then me a look for my God, you know. Me not see no Islam, you know.
Yeah.
Me got Christianity go look, you know.
You know, see
and me not see him then either. Me never look in Judaism. If him is there, but me know. Me don't work out one day. That me a lax man and I go me not, you know.
So it was actually in prison you actually started to grow your ear?
Yeah, man, because you look strength. You want to be different. You see, not far away there we are Rasta. Not far away.
The reason I'm asking that, I thought you started growing a ear from before that.
No, man, a prison.
Road. Okay.
No, man, when you go to prison now, we are look strength. Seeing so, I mean, something used to go on and I never did like. You see, anybody can go to the barber shop, go get them ear cut. With the same set of tool them, I never like it. So, I cut it off. Yeah? You see them raise, you see them share, you see them everything. No, this is prison. One whole heap of man. I don't know where I come from. It's foreign country. I not play that joke there. All right. I grow my locks, but I read books. I not certain. I'm a book rasta.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I want to learn the fullness of it from everybody. I have no special denomination. I not a bubble. I just rasta. I mean, serious rasta at that time. Serious. Because a book, I take it from. So we have to know where we have to do.
Right.
Because we look strength. But one day, I done work out. I'm going at the cell and looking at the mirror and saying, damn, Wolf, where are they? Where your friend them there? Everybody there road. You know which part of there? One prison side of Newark Airport. One big prison side of Newark Airport in Northern State. And then I spend the whole of my time. Yeah? And then me there. And me look for Wolf in the mirror. I'm say, Wolf, how you reach yourself? And the man at the mirror show me say, Wolf. I say, Wolf, problem. And the man at the mirror say, yeah, problem, you know. I'm looking at the mirror, I see the man at the mirror. Wolf, are you the problem? And I ask myself one question about Wolf. Nobody ever trouble you yet? No.
Yeah.
Nobody. Serious. We go through life where nobody not trouble me. My downfall is me.
I respect that, bro.
Yeah,
like
man,
a man
serious.
to say that.
Yeah, man, serious. My downfall is me. So I don't blame it for nobody. I come in and the youth them go big. Respect to my wife. She never, all people we are not fear. We are female. You know.
She take.
Yeah, man, she deal with them and she not turn their mind against me. She deal with everything. I still my heart and she deal with it that way.
Nice one. Nice, nice.
I make the youth them grow up. You see, a 4 girl, 2 boy. I want like a 13-year-old one now.
Yeah?
And a little girl, 13. She just come on the board.
Yeah,
so,
she just come on the board.
Yeah, so I feel just blow me off do. But the one before she is 33. See? I have daughter 40 years old, September come. And 39, heading to 40, them are 2 different mother. Everybody in them 30s and 40s. See? And one at 13 now, so I just get back somebody now for care for her again.
Yeah.
See? I like it. I like it because it gives me something to do.
You have purpose and direction.
Yes. I'm good. Women ain't get, I learn all these things in prison. Don't run it down. Make it go on. Because we learn, you know. So the things you can do, you do it. The things you cannot do,
You can't.
make it go on. You see? So I saw the whole WOLFMAN thing get a crash. You see? Again, my brother still stand up with me.
Stitchy.
Yes, man. Yes, man. I don't know who can get him this or who can get him this.
But you can get him.
No, when me call him,
He's there.
he's there. When me call Pastor Stitcher, he's there. Next thing, them 2 artists, I call me, they are foreign, you know. Wickerman and Captain Barkey come in, you know. Fill the position.
Right.
But Barkey, from Barkey a soldier, Barkey a come through, you know. See, before old my girlfriend, Wickerman a come through too. I remember Wickerman used to DJ like Yellowman.
Right.
Ron Papa San them. And that's how Wickerman them thing did there, but he used to come check me. We got a stir one. One next thing I used to do, you know. When we get dance, me and Stitch we get some dance. Now we got a 2, 3 dance. And you will come out one dance, but we got a date. So me say, hear this. Me send some artists, you know. We come on a one, General TK a one. You see, Major Words in the day jammies, but if him available, we reach. You know, see, we send few singer. You know, see. So, but when he leaves Stir One now, we come and come in and back here. You see, become
fill the space.
Yeah.
Right.
So, but me don't know where go on after that till media prison. You know, say, I when me come from prison. When I talk to one of my sister, at the last end, and she said to me, say, I wear Clifton to make them kill him. So, me have one brother named Clifton.
I think I am.
Yeah, me I say, then kill Clifton. And I say, still one man. So man, trust me, man. I never know that. So man, that break me. That break me. Say, that break me.
Yeah. Where were you when Warriors drop out?
You know, say, Major, me got foreign Thursday, Major dead Sunday.
Wow.
And between me and you, Major, as far as me hear it, me never do. Major did for the on the tour there. Major did for the on the tour with me, you know. As some me hear the thing say, but me don't know what him say. Him say, and he must say, when him name boss, cause me say Clinton must they check him, I don't know. But him say when him name boss, Clinton name one can go foreign. But now him boss, he want to carry him.
So you know boss now, man, you got to find some money, man.
His name come on the tour, and we left Thursday, and then dead Sunday. We come to the music, or the whole like the DJ part of the music. When the man them dead, I feel it, cause I'm a friend them. We buckle, but that's how it go. And them me know because we in the same fields. So me there, and the fields now go how we used to do it, that go one different way. But we have the full respect and the artists them. And with the ask for, I'm gonna give you some more lyrics.
Yeah.
Staff chorus the tune, give me some
lyrics.
Make they say
more
that.
Bars.
Make they give me more bars. See? And DJ some tune for it, man. See?
Yeah. Right, yeah.
DJ some tune for it.
So let me talk a little bit about the Stir One situation again now, because you said that Wolfman and Stitchy, and you have Son over there, sir, and Professor Nuts around here, sir.
Yeah.
Zine, apart from Son and Nuts, any other sound with any other DJ Pani ever gone a proper run for
you know, so between me and you, nobody no giving a run.
Nobody.
No one man, a one man can give a run.
And a son.
And his son and Professor Nuts will back. Too hard for him give it the run. Or the people have just, I know they love Nuts.
Right.
So you know Nuts type of DJ. Nuts will comedian it out for you. Straight out.
Yeah, but with the crowd
dead.
chose still.
See? So I have to give that respect there.
Yes.
Otherwise from that, we don't get no more competition. Jammies, Stereo One, 1987, 70 man in Zill Road. Jammies dead fast.
And that are Bailey and Chaka.
Bailey, Chaka,
Major Warriors,
Josie,
Totality.
enough man. But here what now, you see 70 man in Zill Road.
Yeah.
It was like Stereo One HQ. We played there so much. One at a time, a 13 sound dead.
In the
by Stereo One. Daddy Roots, you name them. And that's what most of them dead. See, you can't beat your 70 man in Zill Road.
So apart from, because I know you rate Nuts, I know you rate Sun, I know you rate Stitchy, which other DJ in the business where you go dance them time, you go turn up and listen, pay your money and listen?
Super Cat are my artist, man. See, Peter Metro come, that way the way you have to listen Peter Metro car. When Peter Metro come 1982, and I do it, Metro Media, Zuzu, Peter Metro, it a go on,
listen,
man.
right.
See, when General Trees come and say, you think me did gone? A problem to man.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you have youth where still never, at that time, fulfill the class so we did there. Yeah. Great artists, them. I true them never have the sound and
the
they don't get
support.
nothing. I'm a mouth.
Amma.
Even Bunny General.
Bunny.
You have Michaelos that are nigga Michaelos
Mike,
they don't have
yeah, man.
country.
Jack
You see,
Ruby.
yeah, you know, see, and you have, remember you have the big man them were them out with some of the Burro Bantan and the man the bad. I remember Burro is a man who hit one tune about five times. You see me there? And you have to, remember, I'm alone do that.
Yeah, man, that's true. That's true.
You see me there? So, him have record where him set where it don't look like it can be broken this easy.
Say, he's
see me
one
there?
Jude 5 times.
Yes.
True.
See, and you have enough more youth. We're bad. Sometimes we got some place. I book some little youth.
Wassy.
They're not anonym, but they're wassy. And them can DJ. Me never dead there. When ladies come a stereo one.
Okay.
A stereo one car from down.
Oh, Sir One brought Lady Star from Sydney.
Yeah, man, a stereo one thing, you know. A stereo one thing. She talk about it too, you know. But it's like Barky, you know, Barky love film style.
Right.
Barky, see her, but she fling some tune hard.
Yeah.
Barky now feel like say, a film business, we take her on.
Oh.
She wife it.
Wifey what?
See, and she come out.
Stereo one.
Thing. And that's Mama.
Yes.
See, Lady G, my sister, Lady G DJ with me. I say Lady G make all me too. I'm back when I come off my stage. One night African Symbol, they are Damali Beach, a Montego Beach, Wally Power, big artist, not far away. A Lady G Gateway. On the back part, I said,
You take with yourself.
yeah, you can't come off on the front, you know. She get to him, man. She get to him.
Yeah.
See, so we do it.
Yes.
We like it.
Yeah, man.
See,
We realize you love it, man.
Yes, man.
Watch it. Sorry for cut you. Stitchy Son, that was always a comparison. Was there a DJ where Wolfman sit as this man I really want to pass me every time I book him?
Stitchy, son. Me can't just go fit kill Stitchy and son, you know. You're artist, me did like competition with Super Cat.
Cat.
Me like, yeah, can you what now? Cat a gangali, you know.
Yeah.
Cat a serious gangali, you know. Like Wolfman.
Yeah.
You see? And couldn't green either, you know.
Couldn't agree.
Nah, man. Can't agree, man. Foreign me and Cat. Them man.
All the realms.
Yeah, man, me there Fort Lauderdale. One time, yeah, and Nicodemus did there, and Papa Biggie and Cat Drive command, and Demus go say, Cat, see your virgin there, you know. And same time, Cat look and say, what, Wolf? But I time when they ballot box thing.
Oh.
Did that, you know?
Yeah,
and Cat started saying, oh, John, whoa, we no thief. And I say, we know that artist. You know, see that rate, you know, see, you know, from there, so. Me and Cat all the rims there, son. Me there New York and buck back Cat in New York and Mr. Demus, Father Demus, Nicodemus. Yeah. And we build up our vibes and Cat live in New York and we build our vibes and we there enough dance and you know, you end up be I'm a virgin there.
Yes.
You see him? One thing we see at New York though. So I dance in New York, you know. 3 sound clashing and I built my ballroom. Papa San, Fergo Digital, Super Cat, I think Addis, King Custom, Wolfman. Hey yo. And the artist half hour Me ever hear in our dance.
Yeah.
Son me here do it. Me
Son.
not a DJ.
You're not about a DJ.
No. Can't about a DJ. We DJ, but we have to DJ for one song.
Yeah.
We can't, but that's something I have to finish.
Yeah.
Wait,
It don't make no sense again.
It don't make no sense again. At the hottest half hour me ever see.
You know one dance.
Yes. Tyrone.
Papa song.
Yes. Don't get me wrong, you know. When the clash, anyway, the bucking are going, me not go bias.
Right.
Me have the thing jump in your heart when you say song. After it starts,
You calm in and ready for you.
I start from the pace, then you backlit, because you're done in there already, so you have to backlit and try it. But in terrible.
Yeah.
Me tell you, don't follow some boy I talk about it. Who know it, I tell you it. You know.
Yeah.
A Stitchy know it as much as Wolfman with Papa San. Because that was a rival. Nuts and San never have a rival. Nuts is and we are Nuts never have a rival. Nuts is just one of the top
But
man.
DJ there.
DJ Love Child or anywhere and go for DJ. I just Nuts not. See? Nuts think craft different. All right. When we want to get to San and Stitchy, you know, we carry it weird on the Nuts there sometime too, you know. Go tell about Boom Boom Fatty them, you know, and crabby them, and thick son because something and come from around there, so, and come from there, so, cause them man we are dealing with great thing.
Right.
So you have to find something to
You get
beat
that
them,
them.
you know. San, Stitchy. Don't ask me.
Which one, brother?
Don't ask me that question because here what me going to tell you say it's me. Right?
Yeah.
Don't ask me should them but me tell you say it's me because one thing I know. Any one of them get the better night, somebody else will die. And them is like that. Seeing? Them bad. He who go up with them night and days can tell her. Nobody can tell this morning. Because me and Stitchy spar when me and Stitchy go up against each other every night. And then the competition was Papa San. Nobody else. No carry the competition there. We drop him my half mile, we drop him quick, fast. Because we know how to do it. That's something, yeah? When we box San, we can't know how to do it. We have to just go defend ourselves.
Yeah.
So every man, if Stitchy win, me win, you know.
Right. If you win,
If me win, Stitchy win, you know.
Right.
You see me there, but at the same time, you have to know where you are the famous can stay in at the PS. Well, you say feed them PS, and me are the cooler feet. You know.
Yeah, cool. Huh?
Right down the sun. Where you want me do? You want me do, young gal, where you want me do? Where you want me do, young gal, where you want me do? When me go, they go to you get money, figure you. Where the rat bats? Where you take me from to? I say, you have to DJ, San, and Stitchy. You have to get the people them
On your side.
on your side. Can remember, them man are not guests for DJ. You know. See, Stitchy you tell about everything. From mosquito to ants, the butterfly, San now, he will kill it with long water lyrics. He kill it with all 30 bars, 40 bars, he just kill it with bars. But who don't know these tunes? Me know them tunes, you know. Sometimes, you know, San will chat 10 tunes per year with one lyrics. You know.
One lyrics, 10 tunes.
Yes, man. But all of them in the same rhyme.
Right.
And him do them so good. Him can chat them for yourself. We chat fit from now until 3-4 rhythm done. And them say longest lyrics. But it's about 10 lyrics. But who don't know them, don't know them. Me know who me talk about it. Me know way more come with. You see now, me can't tell me. It's hard to beat Stitching now, you know. Come in and way
Yeah,
more
know
come
where more come
with.
with.
You see, me study him. Me know what for use for him. Because me tell you something. You know. Me now have as half a lyrics where them are pushing.
Right.
But you what I mean? Me effective. I may kill it with 2 line and 3 line. by quint, me drop
You
it.
kick you down.
By your quint, you drop car.
Yeah.
Me know if it talk say. See, you have a next set of lyrics where a people business. People business, you chat, carelessness, tenement yard argument and entertainment. That's what we did know with it. We don't rhyme. We don't just come out and rhyme to lyrics.
Yeah,
Entertainment. So when you come out, you make your lyrics sound like a composition. You have to start to come down the whole thing. See? And when we're ready, work up is a science. Serious
science.
There a minute. You have we used to like do it, you know. You got some place and when you work, you show the people I'm looking in your eye, you get serious because you know if you perform, you know who you are dealing with. You know how to deal with the people. I know that's something you come me no CD for give you. Play with him.
Just play with him.
Just
I
play
jump
with
on
him.
rhythm, any rhythm I play.
I know, don't tell me which one you want to play. Just
go
play
play.
with him. And so when you put on the next one, you have to quick enough to come with way.
We jump on that one there.
For that one there too.
Mad thing.
See, you not come when me not know about
Give me that rhythm
rehearsing.
there.
Me not like show where even if a band's me a rehearse, but I'm not have to rehearse no bands. Just give me 3 rhythm. Answer, Punani, General, 3 rhythm. Just give me them. Just give me 3 rhythm, 4 rhythm. Me don't need so much rhythm for do one show. Me don't need 10, 15 rhythm for do. I already sing 15 show. Me don't need so much because me come to do a show. Me come to perform and me come to mash it up. See, me's not a slack DJ, but me talk very out order, arms house.
Yeah.
Me not going to tell you say, a girl, Ray, no, but me tell us about her sitting.
Yes.
You see, me now go call in him Rich Man Life.
Yeah, because but just ask me give a piece of rich man life. You know?
Who? When me a rich man live on Beverly Hills long time, me eating upstate, drinking expensive wine, going to tell your favorite hobby of mine, to tell poor people to kiss my beat. Round on me backyard, me have my money tree where me climb. To me have me money, me no commit no crime, money me no lend, money me, you see, remember, as me say, to tell poor people to kiss my beat. Round on me backyard, me have my money tree where me climb. Just as those teachers that say, Mama say, as a youth, you know, if you chat, and not make no man climb up on you. Look, place you put your head before you put your cocktail. And ginger ale must always in your house.
Yes.
So, remember, you know, when Stitchy turned Christian, you know, one time, you know, Stitchy say, no reggae. I said, Stitchy, after me never know you talks like this.
Right.
And the next thing, I know you. Me know him, you know. Am I Christian? Yes. Serious Christian? Yes. But him just a different type of Christian from stuck-up Christian. Stitchy's parent partner. All right. Stitchy's a man, when you say Stitchy, you appear Rasta man, you say spar with Stitchy. Or a Christian spar with Rasta man. Because you have to go out there go look soul. If he's a man of God, you can't run from the people. You have to go out there go see the people and gather in the people. And that's a Stitchy there. Him gather for Wolfman? Yes.
Yeah.
But it's a different man also then Stitchy, you, a Christian. That's so. Me is me. Me believe in this. Me, Wolf. And you know me. And you know say, are the best at Wolf, where you know if you hear say Wolf gone a war with, because me used to love an argument with police, you know. Wolf gone a war with police, or Wolf gone a war with them and them. You know Wolf humble, over in my yard, without the construction work or clean up in my yard or something. You see? So, he's a man with sense. You used to say Wolf alright. You used to say all the years you know Wolf, and the best of Wolf time is you know, and the humblest of Wolfman is you know. You see me there? So, that's how it go. You know, see, Stitchy a Christian? Of course. But Stitchy choose to spar with him friend them. Him God no idiot. I wish he that God nobody around it. The man God know him. And no need to prove to no man who him is. But me know. See? Because me know Stitchy. See? That man's a Christian. A straight up serious Christian. You may have your thoughts. True, you may say a different way. But me know him. And when me know, he's a Christian brother. See? I'm rate him for that, because I'm all out him thing, and him believe in him thing, and him angle himself good. You know, you hear me now? No mix up. Me done with that.
Right.
Because for me mix up them, you know. It's rupture. I can't bother with that. 6 grand picnic.
You don't have time for that.
Me not have time because all the youth them know me. My own picnic them, my little daughter don't know me like that. What nobody not tell her nothing about me. Like how them used to tell my daughter them, say you stay like your father. Them love me so much. Them like to stay like them father, but them not like me. Seeing? The grandpicnic them don't know me nothing but just Papa. There's Papa and then Granddad and Papa. I leave it right there. See? Coming out look my ratings over nothing. See? Which one of them knows some used to deal with music? Know that. Me no want them know. Just know me for me, Papa.
When you cut a year?
I cut me a couple of years ago now.
Why you cut a year?
Alright. I used to work out, you know. I couldn't go when I come from prison, I go through 32 door front way. You know.
Sideways?
Sideways, I go through 32.
Brad.
Yeah, man. See, 214 pound, man.
Yeah.
But a pure muscle, man.
Yeah?
So, but you what now? The ear get too tall. And then, me is not a turban, man. Me have it now, me wear tam. Me don't leg on my ear. I find a something. But it me I work out and me I get all them pull muscles.
Oh, it's straight.
All them pull muscles, all them. Till me start get one. Yes, so.
Start feel pain.
Yes, so me start go to doctor now. So, by going to doctor now and thing, the doctor tell me say, yeah, what? You strain autism, I don't know what that is, but something within, yes, sir.
Yeah.
And it's sore, so we all start sit down here, so I'm not do me and me go so.
I feel it.
I just get a shock from the disc, so.
Oh.
I start look on things different. One night time now, one night I did there, and it blacked me out.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, so when it blacked me out, I say, who me love more? If it's this ear or me?
Yourself.
So I call for the machine.
Yeah.
And cut it off. See, machine first cut it. Machine cut it. After that, I could have come out the rest. I can't remember now. It goes so tall. The natural lacquer part of it, I grew away.
Oh.
I left with this head of here.
Okay.
So you can have locks to down here, sir.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Whole heap of locks me did have, you know. See? And me now go tell you, say, I did my Rasta way, calabash, where I eat out and I eat this. Never used to eat no meat.
Right.
But me no certain time I eat tin food, hard, because I eat a prison.
Right.
You have to eat. You see me there? So we eat tin food. So that's what I used to eat. Every cook me cook, even now, I want to throw a tin of bean for anything me cook. Because some is a man eat. You see, so me I never them bully part religious.
Holy, solely.
Yes, man, me not do that. Me just go within the thing, read things, learn things. No, so the greatest part of a Rasta man is the respect of thyself and respect who you're supposed to respect and you think good. See?
Yeah.
And balance yourself and be fair. See?
Art of love, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to talk about a couple of the songs. Them. 'Cause as I tell you, say, So whilst I was searching and things, there's a few songs I come across, whether upon YouTube, whether upon it, like Bad Man Living, Boom Boom Fatty, Bad Boy Billy. Yeah, and John what the songs
man.
together?
Yeah, man,
Give me a little loving, I think the song name.
Yeah,
Give me a little something.
Me don't know where his song name, you know, but me know say Willie Hutch. Willie Hutch did.
Yeah, Hutch know that. I think Hutch know the song for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Give me some loving, featuring John Wall.
You find that?
Me not find the song, but me see it say, we not do a song name, so.
Yeah.
So me not hear the song. I don't know what the song sound like.
Yeah. You know something between me and you two?
You don't remember it?
No.
Yeah, and Daddy Blue do a song. Ambition, I do it.
Yeah.
Ambition, I do it. So yeah, Daddy Blue do a song
yeah,
together.
Yeah, Daddy Blue do a song too. Me and Stitchy do song. I think so.
Yeah, well, me not say that.
You see? Me and Stitchy do
so
song
I don't know.
too.
I don't know what the song name is,
Tell us
Jonathan.
something.
Tell us something.
Yeah, I think it's Stir One.
Sir One label.
Yeah. You see? But, you know, I'll not cure the man them say, Wolf. Go look for the thing, them find the thing.
Go look for, if you look for them, man.
You want now? Me's not a man computer literate.
Right.
Me have my mark, me have to learn how to go on if you do. When me want to do. Like watch YouTube. I don't know if he use it or nothing else.
Me can youth take care of that man.
We have that, but you want again. Me have all shoulder there, so I don't like me cannot advise. But
right.
me can't find youth will love music. Them youth don't love music, King. King, me have a shoulder, yes, so me pull it down. Me have the equipment them upstairs in my house. But a next look at youth, can next shoulder come there, so emerge. And no youth in the neighborhood and a musician. After Luton and deal with it and the rest of it. Me no more no come. You have a little youth now, respect you to him, I scared. You see, him want get himself more to the thing, but me I'll tell you again. You see, through them not here, WOLFMAN a trend. Day in and day out. It's like them are the artists. WOLFMAN don't know nothing about music. I'm going to tell you something. If you wake me up 3:25 or 3:30 at any given night out of my sleep, it don't take 15 seconds.
You're ready.
If you drop any one of them at ground, because you what? Them learn something and DJ something, but between me and you, I know so you go.
Yeah.
Serious. Me talk from the thing where them are the beat, the rhythm, there's something they're not done. Is a Lego version, some hip hop rhythm when hip hop come like it just a come. And then remember, you know, when hip hop are coming, it come off a reggae, you know.
Right.
Out of basement, out of the Bronx, you know. KRS-One, them and Fat Boys, them and Shined, cast well versatile. Next artist I'm rate to, you know. Shined, you know. Yeah. Versatile artists, you see. We are doing it, you know, from Shaggy them, no catch it. Just a come. Sleepy Wonder them, Bobo General them, that are the New York artists them, we used to do this. So we run through the thing and do that thing here. See, we know the artists them from Jamaica circles. Because remember I saw it used to go until we reach a foreign. I know the artists them. And work amongst the artists them. So we can tell who is who. You see? So no, we wouldn't mind to get some lyrics from the artist.
You tell me earlier what?
Them just give me. They make me no want
party.
I mean I like party. I like dance. You have to string up W18. He's a W18 listener. See, me love the big buff. See, party, me go on my bed. Dance, me 3 nights and 4 nights, me go out there. You see me there? So, I just say it there.
Yeah. Back to the songs then. Village Rooster.
Yeah.
So those are some of the songs. As I say, Bad Boy Billy, Bad Man Living, Village Rooster, I don't know, I never hear on record Boom Boom Fatty. I only know you do the song.
Yeah.
You understand? So I don't know what
Yeah,
the
man,
song
me do
mean.
it on record. Me
See?
no do- You see the difference? Sometimes you do tune for some people, you just go through and you just do something and they say you get it for vice. See, one at a time, in my book. Me don't know if the man then hear something. The man them no love record, they never want to. Me and Stitch with dead there, And we got the studio, And your record Stitching, and all of the man them want record me, I don't know why. Maybe the big vice, maybe, me don't know. But we always have the tune them and the tune them, better for vice. The next thing, me don't know. You know what I'm saying? Me don't know if I show the behavior. Some people will not tell you something.
Yeah.
But
I respect that you just said that though, Father Wolfman.
yeah, man. Some people we not tell you, say them not love certain thing, but them try to stay far from you.
So your behavior may have worked against you.
Yeah, my behavior, me have bad behavior, man. Bad behavior. I'm going to tell you something, you will never know.
Yeah.
Because less than teeth and tongue meet.
Right.
Then you will know.
No, right.
See? You find a pig. The violence
The wolf.
we contain in a wolf. See, me used to have that something there, Can't go around that. The biggest downfall of that behavior. See? And that's what I'm sure 100% I'm fully controlled.
Yes.
Fully 110% control of behavior.
Glad to hear that, great man.
See? Yes, King.
Glad to hear that.
Yeah, man. Hate that.
So a couple songs, we want a couple bars out of still. Bad Boy Billy and Bad Man Living.
Bad Boy Billy. With Wolfman, get ready, everybody get ready. This is Wolfman known as Bad Boy Billy. Ready, everybody get ready. This is Wolfman known as Bad Boy Billy. No, me have a 45, it is that's a pound special. You eat fire sweet, me call it Inspector Willie. Used to fire by me bigger brother named Robbie. Robbie get Ketchangana Penitentiary. Robbie say, Wolfman, take good care of it. Then what me do? Me huggy, me kiss him, me say, come here. Willie from after tomorrow call me Bad Boy Billy. You see? You see? Bad man living now. I mean, between me and you, I eat half.
I eat half.
Yeah. You see, and you see Bad Boy Living, I think Bad Boy Living is 87.
87,
show,
right?
Yeah. Though, for the dance, Kelly's Land. See, bigger for them keep it down.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Bad man living. This is Jonathan Wolfman, who are the king in the ring, they call it. Bad man living. This is Jonathan Wolfman. Hear this. Tell you, say the life in the ghetto is like Texas living. Tomorrow you will die while today you living. You can expect a gunman to do anything. Lick gunshot from night and straight till the morning. Committing robbery, raping and killing. Back out in nice about a boy appear bleeding. And every day he get up, he keep on swearing. If a sound try a thing hospital, no miss him. We no afraid that no boy we a top ranking. No boy could never kill you and put you in a coffin. Come me pen enough cartoon so much for income jacket. Bad man living. You see, I mean.
Yeah, bread and butter.
Bread and butter. That.
Speaking about bread and butter, for the people out there who want to get in touch with Wolfman for dub plate, our booking shows how they go about doing that.
Yeah, man, you can call and get me at my phone number. See, 781 3820. Jonathan Wolfman.
Run it again.
781 3820. Jonathan Wolfman. Ding Amamouth Studio. Car Axe Desi. Jonathan Wolfman. Easy to find. Spanish Town. See? Jonathan Wolfman. Bless him.
Mad. There's another song I never remember. Punani.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Punani tune.
We grab your pants scale.
Yeah, wow.
Woman, if you weigh 10 ton at every duty. If you weigh 1 pound, no man don't want it. Grab it up. The same thing at every duty. Grab it up. It's fatter than fi boom boom fatty. Grab it up. No man now brutalize it. Grab it up. How much it weigh 550. So girl, grab up your pony girl and weigh pan scale. Grab up your pony girl and weigh pan scale. And grab up your pony girl and weigh pan scale. Grab up your pony. Lord God, listen. Angela give me also Patsy. Sharon she give me this morning early. Juliet she come 12 o'clock for money. Margaret come the girl want the honey so girl. Grab up people the girl out. Lord God.
People are scared.
Hear this. Hear this. Show. Stage show. Me know it good. Remember Stereo One carry one stage.
Yes.
This is not new. Stereo One carry one stage from day one till day ending. When we are going foreign, you know, last time with Stereo One, if we could have carried the stage, we carry it to you. The last thing up on the truck, the first thing come off of the truck. It got everywhere with the sound. See, when you see them come, I want to come moon politics, I want to light on it, and people did. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a Stereo One.
Village Roast, have you a couple bars over there?
I'm Village Rooster, a rooster, I'm Village Rooster. Hey, Lord, true, I'm an entertainer. I have to full up a lingua. True that the girls, them a call me the Village Rooster. You know, say me no jester, bad like Winchester. Any girl me see and love Jaman, me have to get her. Just the other day, me set a sexy thing in the area. When me get to find out it's my virgin personal lover. So I have to have some feeling, so I have to go stronger. Right now, I just can't keep my feelings no longer. Coming, I want to turn me into a mad character. One day she was walking all alone in my ear. So me, big up my chest and walk up beside her. No, you hear me? Hey, you young lady, I love how your attire. I love the way you're close with you, and I love your sexy figure. Now, don't to introduce yourself. I'm the Village Rooster. If you try to resist me, I'll make you surrender. And then one worry sitting back at it and you know seeing and
Bad thing, man.
Yes, car. You know the tune where my love, enough.
The truth.
The one we say, 1 in a million, me a hot number. Girl, I rush me like how termite a rush number. See, I just see Village Rooster.
Yes.
But you see, as me tell you, son have some tune where the whole of them connect.
Right.
Me have one segment, you know.
Where tune and connect.
When we do a show, you know. Alright, you see the closet where R. Kelly sing about the closet, and you hear a different set of bars and a different. Me want tune, you know. Some tune. Some 2 bars, 8 bars, and such on. 2 chorus, but the whole of them clashing on one. So when I do a show with them there, it's a different set of, but I do not want people, kids, to stay around. This is big people's business.
Yeah, what?
You see? So, yeah, something we have to do, you know, can't remember. 6 grand picnic. 3 of them, 7, about 8 coming down to 7. The last one are 7. King. And some of them from 13 up to 17. 3 of them. And I have a 13-year-old daughter. So you don't know. I have to take people, pick me out of this. I'm a big man.
Yeah, big man for you.
Yes, sir. See, you have something when I got we want to do, but if we keep to ourselves.
True, agree, bro.
See,
agree.
Me no want hear my little daughter with something. See, so that's how it goes.
Big people settings.
Big people settings. Give me. Not afraid for give me. Test it. Remember, you want a good artist, you have to. See this one here, Jonathan the Wolfman. Remember, and as me say, Wolfman number 2, next Wolfman, get yourself a first name. You cannot come as Jonathan. As Jonathan, you cannot come as Wolfman. All right, watch this. Jungle Fire. The restaurant.
Yes.
I'm a brethren own it. Frankie. From we are youth, I'm a brethren them all the time. I say I'm going with things down them all the time too, you know, can't tell me, but Frankie, I'm a brethren from we are youth. Frankie see a man come in the place and say, he might look some work him. Artist. Why artist? Wolfman. Said introduce a Wolfman. Frankie said, that's not Wolfman. The man said, no, this is Wolfman. I don't know which Wolfman he tell him. But I'm on there, Frankie place at the same time. Frankie said, yeah, hear me? Come with me, I go check Wolfman. And the brother come across there with Frankie and say, Frankie say, oh, if you know, say, this is just something. And me I say, no, all that. The man just look at me and say, other vice the Wolfman have. When he talk himself,
Big
that's
vice.
Wolfman. Yes. So, Wolfman, I mean, I want to show everybody asks me if I'm here, if that's show you.
If I you.
It's not me. I don't know nothing about it. It's not Jonathan. Maybe it's the other Wolfman. Wolfman, find yourself first name. Remember, me accept you as Wolfman, and the next thing, you have to bad. Remember, there's no animal hunt like the wolf. So the wolf bad with the way the wolf do. So remember, as long as you're good, great, bad, you can't come in at the thing. The wolf thing, but get yourself a first name. Because I don't want to go around and flap. Me now say you're going to flap, you know. But I don't want to go around and flap and them think is Jonathan. Jonathan don't flap. Remember that. See? Can learn it as trade, and this is my trade. Blessed to the eye. Saying, carry on.
You said that bad man living, it feed you, I take care of you. Is that of all the songs that you have recorded, would you say that is the most successful song? No.
Yes, I'm most successful song. You know why? You know what say? I one time ever get money from music.
One time.
From
a recording?
From a recording.
Right.
And a Brazilian, we name Jeff. Come and do a little project. Go on my place at the studio with me, you know? Shoot one June and take some little thing and we are flow something and Jeff record them and go mix them and do them one do over Brazil with them and sell them, do them one do. And Jeff come over there and carry money come give me, show me all one list say, I saw it, go me up here and say, Jeff, come on, man. We do it as joy, but I like it.
I like it?
Yes, because here it's mine.
It's mine. I just said that, if I ask this, because we talk about some of the songs, man, so we know that bad man living in the
Jammies.
Techniques.
Bad man living there for techniques.
Bad boy Billy you do for jammies.
Yeah.
And you do songs for Ocha and JP and all of them something, is it? But it sound like the publishing and royalties thing.
You know,
Wolfman
me don't know about
something.
Something they bridging. And as me say, it may sound a weird man, me say, Ray and Tay, but you see right now, me a big man in the of course, more money. Who don't want money? Who don't want money? Everybody want money.
So what the Wolf do about all of that? Because it's out there, like there are ways.
Yeah, me don't know how to go about it. That's first, that's number one. Me don't know how to go about it. And then the next thing, when me no want, me have great friends.
You know, mash up the relationship.
When me great to me as, it me you know, look so now, till we get older and we sit in rotate, but me don't think now, should I not make problem with my great friend.
I'm going to say a thing to you, I'm going to left you right there, sir. You see, if me and you are a great friend and you have a benefit, you have a benefit.
Yes.
So there should be no contention.
Right.
I'm going to left you right there, sir.
Right, so me agree. Come here, carry on and come on with it.
All right.
Yes, as you say, them should have looked about it for make it go to carry on.
If you're my friend, you're my friend.
I don't know a thing go. I don't know nothing about it. Them just do what them do. Them go around the corner, them go around the corner. You know, remember how music used to go from long time on with all of the great them. It happened to all of the great them.
I'm tired for you see him story though, Wolfman. Every time I interview somebody, I see him. You understand what I say? I am icon of the thing, bro.
Yes, but
Rubber Dub DJ, a few of them in the Wolfman category, brother.
Me know that, but this is how the thing go. And me no like, listen to, me no like, one will pay excitement. I want,
if you're afraid of your whole out fire still, that's just my thing.
You start say, news people start say, Wolfman
and that man
in problem over money. me no want in that, brethren. We want money, you know, but me no want in that. Me life, me right now, me no see me say, you hear me? Me are satisfied with what me have, you know.
Me I hear you still in the father,
I hear
Ellis.
you, you know.
Me I hear you still, me I just see you.
So me see it, you know.
Yeah.
But that's the life of the Wolfman, you know.
Yeah.
See,
Do you think that stretch in prison significantly damaged Wolfman's legacy? Because you know, they're road, you know, perform, you know, record, you know,
it have a touch on it. But the greatest legacy for I man right now is say when I go to prison, I get a better education where very expensive if you have to pay for that anywhere else. Not only the education, but I get a sense of life. Find where life is. I don't know them something there. I tell you something. I used to have my wife, a nice lady. You know, I'm an art and every day I tell her thanks. You know. She said, "Why you tell me thanks, sir?" You don't know me tell her thanks. I whole party me tell her thanks, sir. I can't stop telling. You see? So she a one who make me fully understand. You know, see, you know when you go to prison, you know, and you lose all for your woman, you know. I want the hardest thing, you know.
Yeah.
But the greatest thing, stand up with me, you know.
A good lady, man.
Yeah, man, a good man, man. She have a daughter and a son for me. See, my daughter, I'm a teacher, and she hold me straight. You see, you know, so me have to give thanks for that, you know. It was a little something them. Right now, my family mean the best to me.
Mean the most, yeah.
See, so.
So the wolf, all right.
Yes.
Food is on the table.
My side I go out and come in, and the roof now leak.
Yeah.
And you know, you can put some on the table for eat. So.
Me I pray more things out there, you can put more on the table still. I'm saying, I just tell you and left with the say the brother.
Yes.
It's for you,
yeah, man,
whosoever around.
Me know that. Me know
because
that.
this is me. If you put in the work, you ought to be paid for it,
yes,
sir.
yes.
I strongly believe that.
Yes. When we did that do things, we did just do it for the love of it.
Right.
You see, I did love of the music, I did love and the love of sound thing.
I understand that, man. I understand that.
You got St. Thomas of a good year place. You mash up over St. Thomas. 3-4 days, they don't stop talking about it. When you come back at St. Thomas, the place black. Them things them
and put it away. So if you don't want to benefit, bro, you have children and grandchildren. And you have great grandchildren.
Yes. Yeah, man, a serious thing, man. A serious thing, man.
I have done enough interviews where it's just a recurring thing. It's like you put in the work, man, you benefit from it, man.
Sure.
Make your grandkids them and your kids them, man.
The difference, I don't know.
But we'll talk, man.
We don't know where to start.
We'll talk.
You see?
We'll talk. Yeah,
Sure.
about it. Brother.
Yes,
like, as me I said, I have never seen or heard of a Jonathan Wolfman interview.
Yes, sir.
This is the first one me know of.
Yes, King.
You understand? I really and truly appreciate that, brother.
We get some little interview, but none of this magnitude. Teach them! Wolfman.
We really appreciate the man sitting down and leveling with me.
Yes,
you understand? I'm being honest. And not hide nothing. I respect that fully.
Yes, King.
So I say, and growing up, you hear about, because we're still fairly young, you hear about the Stitchy and the Wolfman.
Yeah. Come tell us.
It's a joy for me, the man, bro.
There's no Stitchy without the Wolfman, you know. It's just like you want to bring a cure great. Beanie is, Bunty is, they're all great. But when you get it, you say Beanie and Bunty. Just like how Vado and Cartel did come do it. As a few people do it like that. See, when it was Papa San and Stitchy, it was also Wolfman and Stitchy on a different side. Wolfman and Stitchy at the group, the spar. But go so you never see Wolf, you know, see Stitch, you know. And now you will see, but me know when there.
Yeah.
See? Me know
I
when
want to
there.
find him there too.
See?
Because we've been trying to find him.
Yeah, man.
I put it out to the public.
Yeah, man. Stitch it. Teach them to see you.
I don't know still. But we're there.
See?
We're there. We have
Blessing.
the patient.
Yes, King.
Father Ellis.
Yes, sir.
Great man.
Blessing.
Great man.
Sure.
You have paid the dues, bro. You have contributed significantly to the music down the years. You understand? You would have also helped to create a pathway for other DJs in the past to can feed them family. And we know that the thing they kind of slow down when you do that stretch across the water
Sure.
and thing. But great works are great works, man.
Yes, King.
We're glad to see
See?
the man in a real life, brother.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate the fact that the man answer the call.
Yes, King.
And we're there.
Yeah,
in a
man.
real life.
Sing?
Yeah, man. Greatness, man.
Blessing. Yes,
Man.
I. Bad man living, me say teach them. Him a the king in a the ring, they call it. Bad man living. Me say second teach them cause you a crown king, they call it. Bad man living. Me say second teach them you are the king in a the ring, they call it. Bad man living. Tell you say the life in a the ghettos like Texas living. Tomorrow you will die while today you living. You can expect a son boy to do anything. Like the gunshot from night and straight till the morning. Like committing to robbery, raping and killing. Like back out in life as the papa boy appear bleeding. And every day he get up, he keep on swearing. If a boy try a thing, hospital no miss him. We no afraid of no boy, we a top ranking. No boy could never kill you and put we in a coffin. Come here pen and of cartoon so much income jacket. Bad man living. Mr. Seckle teach them you are the king in the ring, they call you. Bad man living. Mr. Seckle teach them cause you are crown king. You are crown king. Lovely. Get ready, everybody, get ready. This is teach them known as bad boy. Billy, ready, everybody, get ready. This is teach them. Know this. All right, we have a 45, it is a chop and mouth special. We eat fire sweet, we call it Inspector Willie. Used to fire by me bigger brother near Rabbi. Rabbi get catch and gonna penitentiary. Rabbi said to teach them, take good care of it the way we do. We huggy, we kissy, we say come ya. Willie from after tomorrow call we bad boy. Billy get ready, everybody get ready. This is teach them known as bad boy. Billy, ready, everybody get ready. This is teach them. You want to teach them. Well, we no business with nothing because we no care. We do anything we want. We don't have no fear. The first thing we do is go out in the square. Not far from the station the near. And on the next side, the hospital over there, we see a whoa, holy person. Teach them.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.